DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping. DGPS, which stands for Differential Global Positioning System, is a precise positioning technology that provides accurate measurements of land features and boundaries. In Gurgaon, Sector 44 is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects and infrastructure developments. To ensure accurate measurements and efficient planning, the services of DGPS surveyors are highly sought after. DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 utilize advanced technology and equipment to carry out their work. They use DGPS receivers that receive signals from multiple satellites to determine the precise location of points on the Earth's surface. These receivers are equipped with real-time correction data, which helps eliminate errors caused by atmospheric conditions and other factors. By using DGPS technology, surveyors can achieve sub-meter accuracy in their measurements, making it an essential tool for various applications such as boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction layout. The services provided by DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 are especially crucial in the design and planning stages of construction projects. Accurate land surveys are essential for determining the feasibility of a project and ensuring that it complies with local regulations and zoning requirements. By accurately mapping out the boundaries of a property and identifying any existing structures or features, DGPS surveyors help architects, engineers, and developers make informed decisions about the design and layout of their projects. One company that specializes in DGPS surveying in Gurgaon Sector 44 is SCON Design. With their team of experienced surveyors and state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design offers comprehensive surveying services to clients in the area. In the realm of land surveying and mapping, Gurgaon Sector 44 DGPS surveyors are essential. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, is a precision positioning technique that offers precise measurements of geographic features and borders. Sector 44 in Gurgaon is a quickly growing neighborhood with lots of construction work going on and infrastructure improvements. The services of DGPS surveyors are in great demand because they guarantee precise measurements and effective planning. Modern tools and technology are used by DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 to complete their assignment. They pinpoint specific locations on the surface of the Earth using DGPS receivers that receive signals from several satellites. As a result of these receivers' real-time corrective data capabilities, mistakes brought on by atmospheric conditions and other factors are reduced. Surveyors may attain sub-meter accuracy in their measurements by employing DGPS technology, making it a crucial tool for a number of tasks like boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and building planning. Particularly important are the services offered by DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 throughout the design and planning phases of construction projects. For assessing a project